In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin from Wrike. Managing user roles in Wrike is crucial for maintaining an organized and secure workspace, and today we'll walk through just how to do that. So maybe you've got someone in your organization who's moving to a different team, or you've simply decided you need to change up the admin roles. Whatever the reason, let's get started on how you can smoothly make these adjustments. First up, you're going to navigate to your Wrike workspace. Head over to your first space, which is essentially the starting point for making any changes to your team's member roles. Once you're in your Wrike workspace, you'll want to focus on the space that contains the admin you wish to remove. This ensures you're making changes in the correct environment. Next, you'll need to locate the section where admins and other roles are highlighted. Picture this step as selecting an area in your workspace that needs focus. Once you've found where these roles are detailed, look for the General tab within your space settings. Think of this as your main control hub where most administrative adjustments can happen, including role changes. After clicking on the General tab, keep your eyes peeled for various highlighted areas within this section. Continue clicking through these highlighted prompts. These visual cues are there to guide you towards the specific settings you're looking to adjust, helping ensure you're on the right path to removing the particular admin role you have in mind. Now that you've made your way through the highlights, it's time to move on to the next crucial part, reviewing the list of members in your space. Here is where you'll see everyone who currently has access, including the admins. You'll want to identify the admin you intend to remove. A simple X mark should appear next to their name, almost like when you close a window on your computer. Clicking the X will remove them from their admin position, and before you finish, a crucial tip: make sure you hit save at the bottom of this page. This final step officially registers the changes you've made, ensuring the admin role adjustments are enacted. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the Wrike interface and managed to remove an admin, making sure your workspace reflects the current needs of your team. Remember, maintaining organized roles within your Wrike platform helps keep your projects running smoothly and securely. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to revisit any part of this video to ensure you're comfortable with every step of the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.